Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to embed Miro board in Confluence. Now the first thing I want you to do is just go ahead and come here at the top right, click on share, okay? And we need a link. So we can go ahead and change this from anyone with a link with no access to at least viewer, okay? And then we get a link. Now the board is public. You can click on copy board link. As you can see now it has been copied. We'll go back to Confluence and you go to your page where you want to embed the Miro board. You just paste in the link. And as you can see right here, it should prompt us to connect our Miro account if we are doing this for the first time. So you just click on that and then it will open up this new tab where we'll be asked to basically log in and authorize by choosing our account. Since I'm already logged in, it has picked up my account and it's asking me to select a team. I only have one team right here and I just need to allow the permission. So click here on add. As you can see, this will allow all of these permissions. And once we have authorized this, then we can go back to Confluence and we should be able to see this Miro board, okay? Now I want you to change this from inline to embed. Just like this, you click on that, and now we should be able to see our flowchart from Miro right here. There you go. As you can see, it is loading up. And let's go ahead and zoom in. And of course, if you want to ever access this in Miro, you just click on the logo and it will take you to Miro right here. Really that easy. And that is how to embed Miro board in Confluence.